Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to ferment cabbage to make delicious sauerkraut. First, gather your essential tools: fresh cabbage, a large cutting board, and a sharp knife. You will also need a clean, food-grade fermentation vessel, such as a crock or jar, and a weight to keep the cabbage submerged. Thoroughly sanitize all your equipment before you begin to ensure a safe and successful fermentation process. This initial preparation is crucial for quality. Next, prepare your cabbage. Remove any bruised outer leaves and cut out the core. Then, thinly slice the cabbage into fine shreds. Transfer the shredded cabbage to a large bowl and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. Now, the fun part: vigorously massage the cabbage with your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. This action helps to break down the cell walls, drawing out moisture and creating its own natural brine. Now it is time to pack your cabbage. Transfer the massaged cabbage and its brine into your clean fermentation vessel. Press it down very firmly, eliminating any air pockets. It is crucial that the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine. Use a fermentation weight if necessary to keep it down. Finally, cover the vessel loosely with a lid or cloth, allowing fermentation gases to escape while keeping out contaminants. Your sauerkraut will now ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 4 weeks. Check it daily, ensuring the cabbage stays submerged and skimming off any surface mold if it appears. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, the fermentation is complete. Transfer your homemade sauerkraut into airtight jars and store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.